Imagine starting your day feeling not just full, but energized and ready to tackle anything that comes your way. That's the power of a protein-rich breakfast. According to numerous health studies, a morning meal packed with protein is the key to sustained energy and improved overall health. Here are 6 delicious options to kickstart your day and keep you feeling great. Quinoa Porridge. Why stick to the same old oatmeal when you can try something as nutritious and versatile as quinoa porridge? Quinoa, a complete protein, offers a fantastic alternative to traditional breakfast cereals. Simply cook it in milk or water until it reaches a creamy consistency. Add a touch of sweetness with maple syrup and sprinkle some nuts and seeds on top for extra crunch and flavor. Chickpea Pancakes. Looking for a gluten-free and protein-packed breakfast option? Chickpea Pancakes might just become your new favorite. Mix chickpea flour, also known as besan, with water and a blend of spices such as turmeric, ginger, and green chilies to create a savory batter. Cook it on a hot griddle just like you would a regular pancake. These pancakes are not only delicious, but also offer a hearty start to your day. Tofu Scramble. For those who prefer a plant-based breakfast, Tofu Scramble is a fantastic choice. Crumble firm tofu and saute it in a pan with turmeric, black salt, kala namak, and other spices to give it a flavor reminiscent of scrambled eggs. Toss in some chopped vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, and spinach to boost the nutritional value and add a pop of color to your plate. Egg sandwich. Eggs are a classic breakfast staple, and for good reason. They're a powerhouse of protein. An egg sandwich is a quick and satisfying way to start your day. Not only do eggs provide a steady release of energy, but they also help keep hunger at bay until lunchtime. Try adding some avocado or spinach to your sandwich for an extra boost of nutrients. Protein smoothie. Smoothies are a great way to pack a lot of nutrition into one glass. Blend a scoop of your favorite protein powder with milk, a handful of spinach, don't worry, you won't taste it, and some frozen fruits like bananas or berries. For an added bonus, throw in a spoonful of nut butter to increase the protein and healthy fat content. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also incredibly refreshing. Avocado Toast. Avocado toast has become a trendy breakfast item, and for good reason. It's simple, tasty, and incredibly nutritious. Scramble 2 to 3 eggs with a splash of milk and your choice of vegetables. Then serve it alongside a slice of whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado. The combination of protein from the eggs and healthy fats from the avocado will keep you feeling full and satisfied. And this is the part most people miss. While these breakfasts are delicious and nutritious, the real magic happens when you make them a consistent part of your routine. So, which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share your favorite protein-packed breakfast ideas.